Hello family, you are welcome once again. Today we are going to talk about groundnut cake or nkatecake as we call it in Ghana. Do you have something like this in your country and how do you make it? If you know anything about this, please share with us at the comment section. Please don't forget to also subscribe, like and share. Enko bebia me basisi. Middle for me, my baby. We started by roasting our groundnut, and we already have a video on how to roast your groundnut like a pro. So in that video, I ended by saying we use this groundnut to make groundnut cake. So we are continuing from there. After roasting it, you peel it and you grind it like this. You can use your earthenware, your dry blender, and you can use this table mortar. In any possible way you think you can get your groundnut into this form, it's allowed. Just make sure say abo embema say ifin enkum. After that, you get about 5 teaspoons of sugar. Mine was 5 teaspoons. The groundnut was about half cup, and so after that, we melt your groundnut egum. Now when you want to get a uniform mixture. After that, you try and mold it. If you have rolling pin, fine, you use it. If you don't have, you should be a bottle. So I grab this jug and I use it to mold mine just as I want it. I'm penny too thick because I'm person who be baby. Until we no more get together our sorry obi no rice any fufu no wait me a yakosi nchen omudi we a omudi atwo manum mesro emfa nye tu emuda as a mother wait inti unse sugar wom inti ede udi kakra no wetwa so betimi so ayama ofie nkora o area nkora nikapa very interesting dessert me da se pass or share me nkora ne be makwan inti se ba ye fi be ye de na de ne so bete no na wa ye bi ego fridge na ya hyehye wo mansem omo makwan bronya eno mo ba be. It's a festive season, everyone must be happy. Try no ene broso this Christmas obia embo obi mesra pa inti akra de oji bibia free ne nsem no na wo de bibi hye ne nsem me da se so share me, subscribe, like and share. See you in our next video. Bye.